Who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first implementation of a concept called cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency was first described in 1998 by Wei Dai on the cypherpunks mailing list. He suggested the idea of a new form of money that uses cryptography to control its creation and transactions rather than a central authority. The first Bitcoin specification and proof of concept was published in 2009 in a cryptography mailing list by Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi left the project in late 2010 without revealing much about himself. The community has since grown exponentially, with many developers working on Bitcoin. Satoshi's anonymity often raised unjustified concerns, many of which are linked to misunderstanding of the open source nature of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin protocol and software are published openly, and any developer around the world can review the code or make their own modified version of the Bitcoin software. Just like current developers, Satoshi's influence was limited to the changes he made being adopted by others, and therefore he did not control Bitcoin. As such, the identity of Bitcoin's inventor is probably as relevant today as the identity of the person who invented paper. That said, there are all kinds of rumors about the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. Some of the people rumored to be the inventor of Bitcoin are Elon Musk, who helped develop PayPal and created Tesla and SpaceX. Elon Musk denies being Satoshi. Gavin Anderson worked beside Nakamoto on the development of Bitcoin. He gave the CIA lessons on Bitcoin. He also denies being Nakamoto. Vili Ledonvirta is a video game designer from Finland. The New Yorker magazine said he could be Nakamoto. Vili says he is not. Paul LaRue is a criminal mastermind computer coder. He is thought to be a contender for being the real Satoshi. The author of a book about him admits the evidence is coincidence. Nick Szabo is a computer scientist who specializes in cryptocurrency. He created a cryptocurrency called BitGold. He denies being the creator of Bitcoin. We might never know who Satoshi Nakamoto really is, but it really doesn't matter at this point. The Bitcoin code is live and open source. There are dozens of computer programmers working on it. They all have to approve each other's work before it gets implemented. Anyone who wants and has the skills can work on the Bitcoin software. Regardless of who created Bitcoin, it belongs to the entire world now. Click the links associated with this video for more information about Bitcoin. And if you find our channel helpful, please subscribe and click the notification bell. If you have any questions, enter them in the comments section. Thanks for watching another Bitcoin Crypto.money video.